2-minute business tip number 5. How to use your accountant. Now, this is not a video bashing accountants. I've got a good team of accountants that work with me and I would be absolutely lost without them. However, accountants in general, I have a little bit of an issue in that the relationship between them and their clients is not, in my opinion, as it should be. Your accountant is there to do 2 duties. The first one is he is to report on the past performance of the company. So what that means is when you go to your accountant at the end of the year, he tells you how your company done the year previous. So if you're a sole trader, you go to your accountant in October of one year and he lets you know how you done for the duration of the previous year, right? So he reports on the past performance of the company. The second task that your accountant is there to do is to ensure compliance with taxes. So he tells you how much tax is due and how much tax needs to be paid on a certain date, whether it's PAYE, VAT, RCT or corporation tax or whatever other tax may be applicable to yourself. They are the 2 roles that your accountant is there to fulfill. My concern is that the accountants don't have enough input with their clients. Like you wouldn't leave your kid in a creche and then collect them in October the following year to find out how they done, right? You know, we treat our business is our livelihoods. Our business is our baby. So you need to be having regular interactions with your accountant. So my suggestion to yourself is, and this is now down to you as the business owner, rather than giving out and complaining because your accountant is charging you $2,000 or $2,500 or $3,000 at the end of the year, pay him that extra little bit and have either, you know, quarterly check-ins with him or at least every 2-month check-ins or something like that and see how you're going. Don't leave it until the very end of the year because, you know, that's like going on a journey and wait until you get to the end of the journey. Wait until you get to the end of the journey before saying, no, you took a wrong turn 6 months ago and now you have to go back in and make up time. Stay more in contact with your accountant, right? The other thing I'll say to you before we go too much over here, right? The other thing I'll say to you is that your accountant is not your business mentor. He's not your business advisor. And when you're starting off in business, what I find is the case is that a lot of business owners, they don't know somebody like me. They don't have people who they can turn to, who can advise them and help them with their business, and they turn to their accountants. Now, the accountants by their nature are very conservative people, and they are not the best people, in my opinion, to advise you with the growth and development of your business at an early stage, because there's only one thing that's going to drive your business, and that's sales. You need people that's going to help you push forward with that and manage those sales as well. So thank you for watching, guys. I've gone over. See you at the top.